tremble as the city starts to shake. Four warriors rise with every step they take. Steel in their stance and fire in their eyes. Legends awaken as the neon lights rise. In every corner where the wicked scheme and crawl, they move silent through the darkness, answering the call. Unity forged in a bond they'll never break, fighting for justice with the strength that heroes make. Blades flash bright in the night they defend. Courage burns strong from beginning to end. When danger roars and villains try to reign, they charge forward fearless, standing through the pain. With honor in their hearts, they face every fight. Guardians of the city, keepers of the light. Shells up.